Hello and welcome to the Coding Bytes. I am Abhishek Parmar, and in this video we are going to see some of the job opportunities. So the first job opportunity is from Gensar. So Gensar is conducting an off-campus recruitment drive for 2020 and 2021 pass-out graduates. The job role will be junior software engineer and the CTC will be 4 LPA. If we talk about the eligibility criteria, so this hiring is for BE, BTech, CSIT students or MCA students can also apply. And they should be graduated in year 2020 or 2021, and candidates should have 60% throughout, which means in their 10th, 12th graduation or post-graduation, and candidates should be open to work across diverse technology, which means the candidate should be open to work in any technology like Java, C, C++, Python. And work location, so it can be Pune, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Kolkata or any client location in India. And if we talk about the skills, so you should have good communication and interpersonal skills. With this, you should also have strong analytical problem solving skills and you should have willingness to work in collaboration with team. So basically you will work in a team. And now let's see the selection process. So the first round will be one online assessment, then you will have technical and HR interview. And the selected candidates are expected to join them on 1st December or 15th December 2021. And if you want to know more about this hiring, the link is given in the description of this video. So just click on that link and register today. Now let's move to the next job opportunity, which is from Persistent Limited. So Persistent is hiring for engineer and locations can be Bangalore, Hyderabad, Nagpur and Pune. And the CTC will be 4 to 4.5 LPA. And if we talk about the educational qualification, so you should have BE BTech from CSIT, Electronics and Telecommunication and Electrical. So these branches are eligible and you should be graduated in year 2020 or 2021. And if we talk about the percentage criteria, so you should have 60% in your 10th, 12th and graduation. And there should not be any backlog, and the candidates who have appeared in Persistent in last 6 months will not be eligible. So make sure you have not applied in last 6 months. And the basic qualifications, so you can see this one. So if you are from BE BTech and these particular branches, you will be eligible. And if we see the preferred qualifications, so location Pune, Nagpur, Bangalore, Hyderabad. So these are the preferred qualifications. And the link for this page will be given in the description of this video.
Today I have some exciting news for you. Relevel has announced that all the tests have been made free of cost in order to give candidates access to 1000 plus jobs across the top companies. Your search for finding the right job now ends with Relevel.
Now you can register for the Relevel test in 5 steps. Sign up on relevel.com, select the test of your choice in business development, front-end development or back-end development. Select a date and book a slot when you want to give the Relevel test. Slots are limited, so I suggest you to book as fast as possible. That's it. All the rounds of test will be completed in a single day and you will get your scores. Once you qualify the Relevel test based on the score, you get to create an amazing Relevel profile which will be then shared with the companies for further process. The better your Relevel score, the more companies will reach out to you. So what are you waiting for? Register for the Relevel test today. Now let's move to the next job opportunity, which is from Thinkitive. So they are hiring for trainee software engineer, and if we see the eligibility criteria, so you should have BE BTech, ME MTech in computer science, information technology or MCA degree, and you should be graduating in year 2019, 2020 or 2021. And if we see the skills, so you should have strong communication and interpersonal skills. And you should have good knowledge of object-oriented programming, data structures, front-end CSS, JavaScript, and also you should be familiar with databases, SQL or NoSQL, any of the two. And if you see the job description, so you can read this. You should have good problem solving skills. You should be a quick learner. Then you should have good knowledge of C, C++, object-oriented principles and HTML, JavaScript. All these things you should have. And the interview process is very simple. First round will be online assessment. Then you will have 2 rounds of technical interview. And then the 4th round will be managerial and logical round. And the last one will be HR round. So the link for this page will be given in the description of this video. And if you don't want to miss more such opportunities, please subscribe to the Coding Bytes, and thanks for watching.